When installing outdoor lights or utility poles, wind load is one of the most important factors to consider. Strong winds exert pressure on the pole and its components, like light fixtures, brackets, or other equipment. If that force exceeds the pole's design capacity, it can cause bending, swaying, and structural failure. LED lighting supply's pole wind load calculator helps estimate that force before installation with simple inputs. Step 1. Enter the frontal projected area. This is the surface area of the pole and its components that face the wind. Think of it as the silhouette of the entire pole system. Step 2. Enter the drag coefficient. This measures the aerodynamic efficiency of the shape. For example, round poles typically have lower drag, while square poles create more wind resistance, resulting in a higher drag coefficient. Step 3. Enter the average wind speed for the installation region, measured in miles per hour. Wind speeds vary based on geography, especially in coastal or hurricane-prone areas. Reference our EPA wind map to determine the average wind speed in your location. Once the inputs are entered, the calculator determines the wind load and the effective projected area. EPA represents the wind exposed surface area adjusted for the object's drag. The formula is simple. EPA equals projected area multiplied by drag coefficient. Pole manufacturers use the EPA value to determine whether a pole can safely support light fixtures and equipment in specific wind conditions. Every pole has a maximum EPA rating. The total EPA for the pole, fixtures, and mounting hardware must remain within the limit to ensure safe installation. Calculating wind load and EPA helps ensure the poles are structurally sturdy, code compliant, and built to handle the wind conditions of their environment. Thank you for watching and stay in the light!